flying fox is a genus of megabats, which are among the largest bats in the world. They were called flying foxes because their heads look similar to those of foxes. They are also often known as fruit bats, as they love to feed on fruit, flowers, and nectar. They live in South Asia, Southeast Asia, Australia, East Africa, and some oceanic islands in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. A giant golden crowned flying fox is the largest bat in the world, with a wingspan of up to 5.6 feet. Here is a colony flying into the night. Follow my TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube for more informative nature stories. Thank you.